Okay, hope you guys can see me clearly. So I've got kind of a flu, so don't mind my awkwardly sounding voice. So today I want to talk about the Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp, and this is the all new Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp 2019. So this is just a new bootcamp that was released a few days ago. It was released, I think, should be on the 28th of May 2019. So this is the revamped all new Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp for everybody that is just starting out with Clickfunnels Affiliate program. So if you want to promote Clickfunnels and you want to earn some money as you use Clickfunnels for your business, if you also want to promote it the right way and what to focus on, this gives you a clear blueprint and step-by-step way to use Clickfunnels as an affiliate and how to promote it. And the good part about it is it's all free, so you guys can come over here and you can join the affiliate bootcamp for free. So if you're just starting out, if you're a beginner affiliate, I highly encourage going through this free training. Imagine it's free and they help you make money for free. So as you can see here, you've got free access. So I'll leave a link in the description. All you can do is follow that link and it will lead you to this page. And once you click here, which is the first step, is where you will enter your email address. Now what happens if you enter your email address is, so let's say I enter my email address here, which is like that, yahoo.com. I'll click here to submit. Once I submit, it's gonna bring me to this page where it gives me a first step, which is the first video in this series. Once you get that, but there is a catch. You only be sent these videos in your inbox. So once you do that, once you subscribe for the affiliate bootcamp and you watch this first video today, you have to wait for a day, just like I did. So I registered for the bootcamp like on the 31st of May, and I was sent the first video yesterday, which was on the 1st of May. Now what happens is, once this video comes in, I have to click through this link. It will only be available for 24 hours and it will lead you to this page which has got day number 1, which is the first video in this series. So as you can see here, right here, this video expires in exactly 17 hours. So I have 17 hours to watch this video and it's going to be going away after that. Okay, so you have to ensure once the email is sent, you have to come here, watch this first video on this page, the second video on this page, and the third video on this page. Make sure I take some notes and make sure I grab every info that you need to take away from this video. Then you have to wait for the second day for the next training in this series, which will be day number 2. So the number 2 will probably be coming in before the end of today, and I'll also have to go through that training. So it's a 4-day affiliate free training program. So you have to go through all the video to better understand what you need. Then aside from that, if you decide to go deeper, now you can come over here and join the One Funnel Away challenge. Now this is an even deeper process on how you can start a business in literally like 30 days, as you can see. So if you come over here, it will bring you to the One Funnel Away challenge, which you can purchase. So as you can see, your challenge is to take action and complete the tasks given to you every day for 30 days. So this helps you start earning some money in like 30 days if you follow the day-by-step day challenge and literally be consistent with whatever you can do. So as you can see, I have a tremendous amount of experience in marketing, sales, and leadership. I devoured Russell's books as soon as they arrived. However, I knew I needed help. I signed up for the One Funnel Away, and having a functional funnel, thanks to you and Russell, it has made almost $1,000 in just a few days. So it helps you create an offer, create a product for a business, and execute it. So as you can see, it's Russell Brunson, Julie Stowan, Stevie J. Larson, and a lot of more amazing guys. So this is what you get with the One Funnel Away challenge kit. These are the things that you get. You've got a book, you've got an audio, you've got 2 coaching. So these are what you get. You get a 30 days 550 page book that you can follow every single day. Then you also get One Funnel Away challenge workbook. You also get an MP3 with the live recordings of the first One Funnel Away challenge. So you have to go through this, and it's an amazing way to really dive deep and start earning some money, even if you're just starting out in the online internet space. So as you can see, it's worth $3,223, but you're being given out for only $100. So you can come over here to the end of the page. You can purchase using your credit card. You can enter your information, your shipping address, where you want these items to be shipped to. So make sure you're using the correct address. Then you can come and add on something. Maybe say you want an upgrade of product secrets, one-time offer. Want people to jump on the affiliate products setting. This helps you ramp up your affiliate marketing game. So you can come over here and add the $37, which will come to, how much will that come to come to $156. But minus that, you can just get the One Funnel Away challenge, and you can add the $19 for shipping and shopcard. So it comes to a total of $119. So yeah, I think that's about the affiliate bootcamp and the 2019 affiliate bootcamp and the One Funnel Away challenge. So you guys can come over here and really register. I'll leave a link in the description to the affiliate bootcamp, and I also leave a link in the description to the One Funnel Away challenge that you guys can get and do the challenge. So this challenge will be taking place. It will be starting on the 17th of May. Sorry, 17th of June. Sorry, correction. 17th of June. This will be live. And besides just the hardware, the hard copies that you get from their 30-day challenge, you also be getting some online coaching. You have access to the online members area that you can access for a lifetime. So once you purchase this, you have access to the online membership of the 30-day challenge, and you can access it for life, guys. So if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, you're just starting out with an online business and you have no idea, I think this is the best $100 you can spend for your income to go up, at least side hustle or something. So I'd highly encourage anybody that wants a side hustle, wants to start an online business, to take this course. Alright guys, again, if you want to start promoting Clickfunnels affiliate the right way, this is the best platform for you. Take the free affiliate bootcamp, and if you are satisfied with that, or if you want to take it even up a notch, you can go with One Funnel Away challenge for 30 days. You get the best of these guys and many more. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.